guys. Thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. I am so excited. Okay, so here, this was marked down, guys, this shoe right here to $20, and they have it in this color too. Okay, so let's go over to the other side. So then they have these shoes right here. They say Sperry, and I don't see, where's the tag? Okay, $20. So these shoes right here are $20. And then these Italian ones right here, made in Italy. These shoes right here are $20 also. So let's see what they have on this side. Okay, so guys, you have this shoe. This is Steven, New York. And this one here is $34, guys. And then you have this shoe. So this is a pretty shoe. So this shoe is Sardo, and that one is $39.99. That one is not on clearance. So then you have this shoe over here, guys. Isn't that pretty? So this one is $44. Look at it. Okay, so then we have this shoe. I like this shoe. Guys, this is something I would wear. So this is Steven. Let me see how much. He's not on clearance. That's $34.99. Then you have this shoe here. Restricted, $19.99. Then you have this shoe. I like that shoe. And that one is Steve Madden. And that one is $28 for those. Then we have these. Sorry, I dropped those. These are $32. Okay, then we come down here and we have this shoe, Samba. I like that shoe. It's a pretty shoe. So let me see if I can get a price on this for you. No, that doesn't have a price, guys. Okay, so these are $19.99. Let me take a look at them. That's what this shoe looks like. Who makes that? I can't read who makes this. Blowfish. Okay, look at that. That's a nice shoe. And this one here. Okay, this one here is Madden Girl, and that's a beautiful shoe, guys. And that one is $24.99. That's not on clearance. And this one here are Skechers, and this shoe here is, let's see. This shoe here is $29.99. That's $29.99 for that shoe, guys. So then you have these. It's already starting to get packed in here, guys. So it's BZ's, and this one is $19.99. That's not on clearance. So here's Calvin Klein's. Aren't they pretty, guys? These are so pretty. So these are marked down to $32. And look at these. Oh my goodness, these look so comfy. Kenzie, and this is $24, guys. These are marked down to $44. Okay, so this one right here, look at that shoe, guys. That is absolutely pretty. So that's Lucky and Brand, and she's marked down to $32. So then you have some up here. Usually I can't reach. These are marked down to $32. That's Calvin Klein. Look at that shoe, guys. I think that's a good buy. Then here you have, these are new naturalizers, and I can't see the price. Let's see. So these ones, these are marked down to $28, guys. That's a good price. Okay, so these sneakers here, Indigo, and these guys are, let me see, where's the tag? So that's $24.99, guys. And then you have, oh, look at these. These are marked down to $20. Look what these look like. Toscanella. And these, aren't these pretty, guys? You know I love these kind of shoes. These are marked down to $16. And these are $24.99. These here are marked down to $32. That's what those look like. What are they? Can't tell what they are. So here's another pair, guys. That's Steve Madden. $28. And look at these. Okay, so these guys, for $16. And here's another Calvin Klein pair for $39.99. And then these guys are $24.99, and that's what those look like. Okay, so then these right here, made in Italy, those are $20. Look at those. Very nice. Let's see. So these right here, Sofia Milano, these are Italian. Okay, let me see if I see. These are reduced too. These are reduced to $20, guys. Here's another Circus. And that nice orange color for the summertime. $16, guys. So, excuse me. Okay, so these sneakers right here are marked down to $28. What are these? Okay, so these over here are marked down to $20, and these, let me see, these right here are $24. And this is what those look like, guys. These Converse, I think these are Converse. They look like them. So $29.99, those are not marked down. Then look at these shoes. Isn't that cool? That's nice. So let's see. Those are $32, and Canna makes those. And here's the same shoe that I showed you before in black. Kenzie's. These are $24.99. Then you have these MKs. Guys, look how nice these are. This is a navy blue color. And then these are $36. Okay, guys, so let's see what else we have here. So these are marked down to $20. This is what these look like, guys, from the side. Then you have these Adidas, and the Adidas are $34.99. Those are not marked down, but these here are. These are $34.99, and these are Skechers. Very nice, guys. Let's go on the other side. Okay, so here, let's see, here's the same MK ones, guys. I'm actually loving these. $36. Let's see. So these are Pumas, but these are not reduced. These are $39.99 for those. Then you have these Charlotte Russe. Let me see the price tag here. $10. Charlotte Russe. And look at these. Aren't they pretty, guys? So those are $16. And I'm liking these. Don't these look so comfortable? These are $29.99, but those are not reduced. So these here are Pumas, and those are $32. So let's see. We have this shoe over here. Wow. G Los Angeles. $29.99. Okay, right here. So this shoe is $39.99. Those are not reduced, but these are. Look at these. These are reduced to $16. And who makes these? I can't tell who makes those. So I'm not in anybody's way. Look at this. Land's End, $6. These are some house shoes. I'm loving those MK shoes. I love those. Look at these. So these are $44. Who makes these? This is Genie Soles. And these here are $20. And they look like that from the side. Then you have these, guys. These are not reduced, and they're $34.99. So they have some more of those MKs in that color, and I'm loving the camo. Guys, I love camo. Vince Camuto, $32.99, guys. I love Vince Camuto. Okay. And I like these, too. I'm really liking this shoe. $34.99. Vince Camuto, $32. So let's see what else shoes over here, $39.99. What are these? This is Guess. And then look at these guys. Oh my goodness. So that's Michael Kors. Those are so pretty too. So $44. Here's ones for $39.99. And here a New Balance. That's what those look like from the side. And those are $39.99. So here's some Michael Kors flip-flops. And those are reduced to $16, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx to check out their shoes. And I will see you in another video.